I am going to walk you through the day in the life of a biomedical engineer on the development side of things with a lot of prototyping involved. Follow me. So here are some of our 3D printers. One is actually running right now. This type of printer is a Mark Forge printer, and you can print with a bunch of different types of plastics that have different mechanical qualities to them. And we use these in a bunch of different type of experiments or sometimes in final products. So over here, we have a wall of even more 3D printers that print very similar materials. If you come over here, you can see one of the materials is out, and this is a harder plastic. We can prototype a bunch of different things in-house and get them to people same day or same week. So if someone comes to our company and wants help in making something, we can prototype something, get it back to them, and then they can let us know. 3D printers allow us to prototype a wide variety of things, both in-house and for any external vendors that we might have. If someone reaches out to us and they want our help in manufacturing a product, we can take a design, 3D print it for them, send it out to them, and have it approved by them before we move on to our final checks. So over here, we have 2 3D printers, actually 3 3D printers total, that all print soft materials. These materials can be used for a variety of different things and all have different properties that fit into different needs at the company. The one printer is actually going to be used for a project that we are currently working on to provide breathing therapy devices for pediatric patients. So the devices would be used to help deliver breathing therapy like CPAP, which is something that you may be familiar with. Maybe some of your parents use CPAP, and it helps people sleep and get oxygen at night. And sometimes babies need that. So we will scan their faces and we will make little tiny masks to go over their noses, and then we can 3D print them here and send them out to the hospital so they can get the breathing treatment they need. The weirdest thing that I have done at work is making a fake colon model. We have a variety of different testing that happens, and sometimes you can't get models that fully accurately, like you can't get the actual model of what you're working on. So you need to make something that will accurately represent what you were trying to test on. In our case, it happens to be a colon. So we're using plastisol, and plastisol is what fishing lures are made out of. So if you've ever felt a squishy little fishing lure, that is plastisol. And we made it out of plastisol and Play-Doh. And it was a very, very funny task for me and my coworkers. So that was interesting. This is Jody, one of our quality engineers.
Hello. I make sure everything that we manufacture or that is engineered here passes all requirements, testing, inspections, and that the FDA will clear our products for sale.